Manchester Tower, Helicopter Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu on the ground at Mobley, squawking 7362 for lift.
Golf Hotel Victor Romeo Zulu, Manchester Tower, hello there. Just confirm your intentions after lifting.
Yeah, we're looking to go southbound down the transit corridor in that direction. There she is. This is going to be one of my turning points, so I'm going to be turning right here, tracking the canal, backing the lake down. And I can see a helicopter on the ground there. Beautiful landscape there, absolutely beautiful.
Golf Alpha Zulu Juliet Victor, London information.
We'll just do a little gentle descent.
Delta Golf, Bravo, good day.
Golf Alpha Zulu Juliet Victor, London information. Just a ops normal check. Are you still ops normal?
Hey Fern, ops normal. We could hear you earlier. We've just climbed to 1,500 just to give you the radio check. We'll drop back down to 500 to continue on set.
Golf Juliet Victor, thank you, and confirm you're listening out on 125475 north of frequency.
Hey Fern, we are. Golf Juliet Victor.
Golf Juliet Victor, thanks for the call.
And here we have Lake Vyrnwy.
Yep, that's fine. It's on course.
Again, beautiful valleys and landscapes ahead of us. This here is the Palais Hall Hotel, which I have landed at previously. Very nice hotel indeed. And there's a circle on the ground there, which I am presuming is a heli landing site, with the windsock outside it. here is spectacular. I'm guessing this is the River Dee. I wouldn't like to say because I'm not quite certain, but I can't see it else. I'm going to track that for a while. Beautiful scenery here. Just can't beat this on a day like today. We'll track this valley round. Ancient ruins of some description up here, and given that we're in a helicopter and we can,
Uniform Sierra, basic service.
might as well go and have a look.
7 with mode Charlie, and confirm intended route.
1177 with Charlie, and currently routing to the Golf Sierra Tango waypoint over Gloucestershire Airport, and then direct Hammersmith West.
And it looks like there's a fantastic viaduct there ahead, so I think we'll go and take a look at that. Two viaducts, in fact, one on the left and the one that I'm heading for now.
Golf Bravo X-Ray Lima Yankee, London information, good afternoon, pass your message. Golf Lima Yankee, basic service, Squawk 1177
Lovely.
Charlie, and the latest Wessex regional is 1023.
And we've ended up exactly where I wanted to be, which is about at Erbistock.
Golf Papa Foxtrot, roger, basic service, and say again your routing with ETA to Popham.
As we were downwind, I've commenced standing orbit. I can bring off height and speed.
Golf Papa Foxtrot, thank you. Golf Echo Yankee, A firm, London 288, Fort Conspicuity, good afternoon.
And so we've just landed at the boat at Erbistock, which is on the banks of the River Dee. I'm going to get a quick drink. Then we will head back to Manchester Barton.